Hello, this is Tiffany. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Laos style sticky rice. I went to the Asian market and got myself a 5-pound bag of sweet rice, and with that I took 3 cups of the sweet rice and soak it in a very warm water and rinse it off and clean it, and then soak it in the warm water for 2 hours. This is a Laos style sticky rice steamer. The top portion is a bamboo basket and the bottom portion is a round pot. You can get this sticky rice steamer in any Southeast Asian market. You fill up your bottom portion of your pot with 7 cups of water. You take your bamboo rice basket and you pour your soaked sticky rice into the bamboo pot, and then you drain it out. So let all the water drain out, and then you're going to put it into the lower portion, which is the pot. Just like that. Make sure your bamboo rice basket is damp, it's wet. So that way when you're steaming the sticky rice for about 45 minutes, the bamboo doesn't get too dried out. You turn on your stove to high heat and you put your basket and your pot on top of the stove and put a pot lid over it to cover it. Just like that. And let it cook and steam. You're going to see its steam coming up, and make sure it's steamed for at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes so it gets nice and soft. It has been about 30 minutes. The sticky rice is just about ready. So here's how it looks like when it's fully steamed. The pot is still going and it's steaming for 30 minutes. Now the sticky rice is done. I shut off my pot and I'm taking it out of the pot, and I'm going to pour it into a nice big surface of a serving plate or something, so that you have a tray that you can pour the rice onto or into. Just like that. Then you take a ladle or spoon or your serving pieces, and then you separate the rice to make sure the steam is released so it doesn't get too soggy in the sticky rice holder. This is a Laotian sticky rice holder. Again, you can get this in any Southeast Asian supermarket. You can ask them for a sticky rice holder and usually they will have them. If not, they can order them for you, or you can go on Amazon for it as well. And they come in all different sizes. They have the larger ones for a whole family of 12 or a family of 4. So they have them all large, medium, small, extra small size of the sticky rice holder. And they're made out of bamboo. So keep moving the rice around to get the steam out. I usually just fan it out just a little bit to get that steam out. As you can see, when you hold the sticky rice, it's like this. It's gummy and you can move it around like Play-Doh, and it's delicious. Fan it again, and it's going to be hot, so be a little careful. So you can take your sticky rice holder, the bamboo basket, and then you take a little bit at a time because it's hot. You roll it into a little ball, don't burn yourself, and then you put it in, little by little. Just put it in the basket. And then you can serve the sticky rice with grilled chicken, grilled fish, grilled any kind of grilled protein. You can eat it with salads, Lao style chicken salad. Or my kids love to just eat it plain. And here you go. This is the Lao style sticky rice. So here's how it looks. It looks delicious. And then you just close the lid, just like that. And then when you're ready to serve with your food, your salads, or your grilled steak, or whatever you like, you just put it on the table, and then you open up the lid just like this. So it closes and open like that. Okay, so enjoy. Please like, please subscribe, and please keep watching us. Thank you so much for watching.